For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Best large capacity programmable coffee maker for home and office USA buyers. USA audience search keywords, 1 row. Every keyword ends with a comma. Large capacity coffee maker best. Programmable coffee maker best. 14-cup coffee maker best. Coffee maker for large family best. Coffee maker for office use best. Drip coffee maker with timer best. Strong brew coffee maker best. Coffee maker with auto shutoff best. Coffee maker with reusable filter best. Home office coffee machine best. Daily use coffee maker best. Coffee maker with keep warm function best. Coffee maker for busy mornings best. Coffee machine for multiple users best. Coffee maker for American homes best. Hashtags: best coffee maker, best programmable coffee maker, best drip coffee maker, best coffee machine, home office coffee, Coffee Lovers USA, daily coffee routine, kitchen appliances, coffee review, USA product review.